rice is done. And now we'll see how the lamb curry turned out.
Ooh. Oh my goodness.
This is a butter sauce. A lot of fat, but we are trying to do the keto thing, so here we go.
Boy, that looks good, Candy.
All right, there's yours.
I hardly wait to eat this.
Oh man, it smells so good.
I'll drive you around for 7 hours any old day if you feed me like this all the time.
All right, not that deal.
Deal, huh?
Deal.
I have to wash the dishes though, so it's all good. Then Atlas is wreaking havoc on his dinosaur pelvis. There you go. Look at that. Dinner for two.
Get you some more sauce.
Some more sauce.
More sauce. We got a lot of sauce.
Let's give me some sauce.
What are we gonna do with it? Gotta eat it.
Oh no, I'd eat it. The S-bar has been running a lot, but a nice feature about it is that it actually heats the engine block as well as the hot water in the air in the camper. So we're going to do a cold start for you and show you just how easy or beneficial it is to heat your motor up. Okay, so flip this, hit the yellow start button, boom. That was fun.
Live your dreams. Be adventure driven. Don't forget to hydrate. Really. I'm not joking. Stop sniffing me. Go away, dog. Is that a kiss? Nah.